Perfect. I void warranties as he's under the hood with a knife and a hanger.
I promise I'm not stealing your car.
I'm telling you, never been broke, never been wild, never been regular, never been regular. Iced out chain, iced out bird, bust down roll, bust down bird. 100 on drum, 100 on drum. Arcade know me, arcade know me. War shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on. Whoa, whoa, war shit on. Nah, nah, nigga, I'm telling you, nigga, I'm telling you. Never been regular, never been regular. War shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on. Whoa, dripping this honey, I feel like I'm winning.
Well, here we are, man. We ready to kick off another shop day. It's been a while since I did a shop day video. But as you can see, we got people already out here working on stuff. It's doing a little raining. I'm about to get on my wife's car, do her lights and stuff. But yeah, man, stay tuned. More people coming.
Come with a classic, they come around, you say that say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. I drop an extra feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Belinda Felicia. She gave me 25 million for a place, you know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter, was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I smoke, especially my friends, we wouldn't believe it. I got Satan's
That beat up one right there. No. That's the one that came out. No. Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. That's the one.
That's the one that came out of this truck.
This one, yeah. So we should probably get one with a flux capacitor. That way we can keep this thing up to
The two
speed.
radiators you have at the house go to pretty much the them two motors. You're right.
Yeah.
So if it goes to the one that's in there, then it doesn't have the oil cooler lines on it.
I just know we need to make the mandatory 1.21 gigawatts.
Yeah, true. Absolutely. We got to get up to 88. We need 88 miles an hour. If
That's gonna be pushing it for something like this.
If we don't hit 88, you're not going to go anywhere. You got to
You can't keep up with the tow pig.
You got to get at 88 to go back to the future.
Deleted already?
No.
So for me to do 88 and that, yeah.
You know?
Okay. So,
See, we already got the front piece of the flux capacitor. We just need the rest of it.
And the lights.
And the lights.
Okay, so I just need to know anything.
We got lights. Everything. A whole Hellcat motor.
Right there.
TRX motor.
Let me hold your credit card in.
Huh? TRX motor.
6.2 super.
Put it on the other. Put it on the other patch tab.
Huh?
Put it on the other patch tab.
TRX
TRX motor.
Diesel swap.
That's all I need.
That's it.
Oh, 10W30?
Forget the LS. Forget the LS swap. We're diesel swapping.
Yeah.
Change your plans. Sorry, bud. Back. Hey, Cat.
Yeah, great. Throw the lights on there. On the Honda.
I thought they were supposed to be here already. I'm hungry.
Oh, they got food?
I told them to bring the leftovers from last night.
Sure.
And look what I got.
That's
Look
my
what I got.
PRO right there. We set. We set. Man, first of all, don't do us. Don't do us.
Come on,
I'm
baby.
gonna partake.
Are we gonna wait for everyone to get here?
I had no parts to do.
Well, take some responsibility for something, man. God, look,
I was supposed to make sure the board around.
you are something else. Let's see. Yeah.
That's your second time.
Nuh-uh, that's what I'm talking about. She needs something lifted up like that. That's what I'm talking.
It makes me look taller.
Yeah. Yeah. She need a diesel.
She ain't gonna diesel before me.
Tell him. Get my PRO dually, man. Lift it like that. You can stay in calm.
Start doing her job.
You can
Then
stay.
we would think
Whoa.
about it.
You heard him, right? You heard him? Mm-hmm.
I am doing my job.
Yeah, you see her. She just had to get some. She vertically challenged. She just had to get some height so she can get everything.
I don't know about all that.
Chill.
follows my phone. It follows my phone. So when I drove the truck, like a Tesla, they drive without. OJ, where you going? Where you going? It's an app. It's like it's like a Tesla.
You don't believe me?
The car can drive itself. That's how I got them both here.
Erase the hate.
Systematic racism. We got to stop.
Erase the hate.
I know, right? OJ.
Might have to extend the wires more than likely, which ain't no big deal. Because we'll just have to find some place to mount the boxes. But this one.
Well, looky who it is. The man himself in the flesh. My conciliary.
The party can start now. Start the VIPs in the house. Everybody's good. What's going on, my brother?
What's good? What's good?
Tip doing what he usually does. Nothing.
Yeah.
Tip not. Hey, it's garage day. It's supposed to be helping out here. What are you doing? Huh? What's going on, my brother?
I'll catch it in the video.
You ain't doing nothing. It'll be nice. Hey! It's a military.
G, come here. That man talking.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to G. Happy birthday to you. All right, check this out. This is what we're going to do.
Now show what your mama gave you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Happy birthday. I'm on a diet.
No, you're not.
But I'll take one slice since you're offering.
Timmy, you want some cake? Huh?
Nope.
Did you say yes? Okay, no.
My blood sugar low.
You don't want cake? You a liar. You do. He's a liar.
There's a motherfucking Honda over here.
Look, let me explain. There's nothing really to explain. I couldn't get in there either. Hell,
Who puts a big ass fucking battery
Let me
right in the motherfucking way of the steering?
Honda does. Okay, Honda.
Hey.
All I'm saying is,
babe, let's trade it in for a Benz. But
no.
huh? No.
A
Yeah,
No,
a Benz.
I ain't working on it, ding.
A Benz.
Don't do it, Pat.
I want to do a VIP build on a Benz,
VIP build?
like a bagged 600 Benz S550. A bag
Get it.
S550.
We just gonna drop like 800K?
Huh? Who? No, this is just a dream. I'm not really gonna do that. But
Hey, look! The baby D maker's coming through.
perfect.
Nah. Alright. We been them nicks. Nigga, I'm telling. Never been broke, never been wild. Never been regular. Iced out chain, iced out bird. Bust down rollin', bust down bird. 100 on Jordan. Arcade know me. War shit on.
Hey man, shop day is fully underway. As you can tell, everybody working on different things. Got my girl over here doing up this trophies for the war show coming up.
This is how we fucking do it.
How we do it? I'm looking at you like, are you serious? Are you fucking with me serious? No, we're serious.
We're just fucking
Oh,
serious.
shit. Okay. So, yeah, so. How you want me to do it? Like, actually under the whole truck? Let me get the cover on.
Were you really listening to them?
I don't fucking know! Timmy said ask questions, just do. Why you gonna put the transmission on my chest?
Don't we bench press these fucking transmissions into place?
So you literally gotta put it on my chest to put it up there.
Yeah.
See this? You said don't ask questions, just do. I'm like, oh wait, don't sound
You
right.
ain't been doing no push-ups?
I can't. I can push right from the table. I can't push up.
Damn.
Hey, fat boy, you roll the transmission on its side,
You tuck your elbows.
and you grab it, and you roll it right underneath it, and then you just push it up. You gotta wiggle it.
Let's show him, Simon. Come on, let's go.
G and Cap gonna be on each side of it to balance it.
Yeah.
Towel.
You already got another oil under there, my boy.
You all too. We both on. Come on. Let me show you how to do it. Come on.
And then with your knee, you gotta wiggle the.
So real quick, we wrapping up shop day. Completed the wife's Honda. As you can see, we got her lights going. The guys, I'm not sure if they finished Fat Boy's truck. People still kind of just chilling. Did you finish your truck or the majority of the stuff or what? For Fat Boy's truck, oh, the majority of it? Got most of his stuff done. I'm not sure what's going on over here now. But
Timmy's changing the blinker.
Timmy's changing blinker fluid. This motherfucker. But we wrapping it up, man. We wrapping it up for the night. A lot of things coming too, man. Freaking, we got a big meet tomorrow. We got our show, Ink and Octane, next weekend on the 13th. It's a night show, so come out, check that out. Also, I got something else coming, man. I got something else coming. For the guys, for the men. Just stay tuned for that. Just stay tuned for that. It's coming. It's coming. The War Council.
Never been regular,